This 2026 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 24BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, stovetop burner, LP detector, refrigerator, awning, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, leveling jacks, water heater, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 24BHX is 5,756 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.